Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So, previously I did a drink called the Painkiller, which is becoming a classic drink, right? A lot of places serve it. So what we got now is the Plainkiller, right? Like it ain't pain, it's plain. One of the big differences about the Plainkiller is you don't use the Pusher's rum, right? With a Painkiller, you're supposed to use Pusher's rum. That's the standard when you're making it. So we're gonna make it's kissing cousin, the Plainkiller, right? So first we're gonna start off with a good rum, and you want to go a good well-aged rum. This is a 13-year-old Jamaican blend called Rest and Be. Really good notes, floral notes. It's really nice. Really nice rum. But anyway, we're going to go 2 ounces of rum. Next, we want to go 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. You can use freshly squeezed. I try to use common stuff that you have, like nothing special, but freshly squeezed pineapple juice would probably be a better alternative, or these 100% juice cans. Anywho, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. We want to go 1 ounce of coconut cream. Nice ounce. Kind of reason why I'm doing a shaker cup versus a big glass. I'm shaking it instead of stirring it because coconut cream is thick, and this helps it blend a lot better than me trying to stir it. I'll be here forever. Next, we're going to do 1 ounce of orange juice, freshly squeezed. That doesn't go on that top. Next, I'm going to give it a nice, good shake. Because I said the coconut cream is thick. Now, if you have a fancy tiki mug, it goes perfect in that. But I don't. Not yet. Last, we're going to pour it. It smells great. It smells tropical. And that's what all we will get out of there. So what we have is a plain killer. And also, just like a painkiller, you can top it with freshly grated nutmeg or nutmeg in a little nutmeg thing, shaker. But we're going to try it without a nutmeg. I like painkillers. I think I may love plainkillers because I like coconut. And you taste the orange juice is in the background, just a tad bit in the background. The coconut is prevalent. Pineapple juice, so it's almost like a pina colada, right? But when you use a high quality rum that's aged, it is a star. But anywho, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, pinky up. Cheers.